created your group library on the Zotero webpage, you'll have to create an API key. This key will help you sync your group library to your Zotero libraries on Ramp. To create the API key, you'll first go to Settings on the Zotero webpage. After you go on Settings, you'll then go on Feeds/API. You'll then create a new private key. First, fill in the key description. This will be the name of your library as seen on Ramp. Then you'll configure the access settings. You'll allow library access. You'll allow read-only for default group permissions. And then you will not press specific groups. You'll leave that as is. Once you're done with all of this, you'll press Save Key. Once you've pressed Save Key, you'll be given the API key that appears, as Zotero will only show it to you once. You'll have to save this key on a different browser, or you can screenshot it. But you'll have to save it immediately, as it will only be shown once.